Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today I'm going to show you everything you need to know to care about your orchids. Okay, let's go. Okay. As you can see, these are the orchids. Look how nice they are. Can you see them? As you can see, they are blossoming. This is the branch. This is the roots. And today, I'm going to show you how to take care of your orchids. If you have these orchids, then you know they are very good plants. If you take care of them, they will blossom into nice flowers that will give a bit of aroma like you are back in Uganda. It's okay, guys. So today I'm going to show you what to do and how you take care of your plants so they will never ever die. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so step one, what you want to do is, as you can see, people tend to think that, you know, orchids, you don't have to water them. That is wrong. You have to water your orchids. As you can see, these are the roots. You have to water them at least once a week. So as you can see, I got the bling pot here. So whatever pot you have, if you want to water them, then they will be nice and healthy like my ones. You see this? This is a healthy orchid. So I will recommend water them at least once a week. And that is step one. Okay, step two is you want to get some good fertilizer. A good fertilizer. A lot of people, you know, make fertilizer out of banana peels. You can do this. So once you eat your banana, put this peel in a compost deposit that you have to keep for around, I will say, around 5 days, and they will decompose. Yes, once it has decomposed, you can make some nice fertilizer for your orchids that will make it stay nice and healthy. As you can see, my ones are nice and healthy. They have all the nutrients. Okay, so that is step two. You want to get some good fertilizer. Okay, let's go on to step three. Step three is you have to talk to your orchids. Every day you want to speak to them. If you don't speak to them, they are not going to grow up and blossom. So what I tell my orchid is, come here, orchid. You are so nice. Oh, when you blossom, you are going to be so beautiful. So when they hear this, they go and blossom much quicker. As you can see, my orchid is only 3 days old, and look how big it's gone. It's like, well, you know that beanstalk from James and the Giant Peach. Yeah, that's one. So yes, you want to always speak to your orchid, and then they will grow up in no time. So that was step three. Now the last and final step, step four. Okay, so this is the most important stuff for your orchid is, go and watch a YouTube video on how to care for them. I do not know how to care for orchids. I just found this in my living room and I got it here to do a review. You guys are crazy. You think I got time to look after orchids? Come on now. I do not have the time to look after no plant. I cannot even look after myself. Come on, man. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, like the video. As always, remember to subscribe, follow me on all the good stuff, and as always, belly.